What are positive self-talk techniques for children? Have you ever noticed how the words we say to ourselves can shape our feelings and actions? This is especially true for children, who are still learning how to navigate their emotions. Positive self-talk techniques can be a game changer for kids, helping them build resilience and emotional regulation. So, what exactly are these techniques, and how can they help? First, let's understand self-talk. It is the internal dialogue that children have with themselves. This can be positive, where they encourage themselves, or negative, where they might criticize themselves. Teaching kids to notice their negative self-talk is the first step toward making a change. Next, it is important for children to recognize negative thoughts. When they catch themselves thinking, "I can't do this," or "I always mess up," they can learn to challenge these thoughts. This awareness helps reduce the impact of negative thinking on their emotions and behavior. Now, let's look at some key positive self-talk techniques. One effective method is modeling positive self-talk. Adults can demonstrate this by saying encouraging things about themselves, like, "This is tough, but I can keep trying." Children learn by watching and will start to internalize these positive patterns. Another technique is using affirmations. Simple phrases like "I am capable" or "I can ask for help" can be repeated regularly. These affirmations help kids build a positive self-image and manage feelings of anxiety or self-doubt. Creating positive thought jars or stations is also a fun way to encourage positive thinking. Children can write or draw uplifting thoughts on slips of paper and place them in a jar. When they feel down, they can pick one to read aloud. Setting up affirmation stations, like mirrors where they say positive statements, reinforces this habit. Role-playing positive responses can be very helpful too. In guided scenarios, children practice responding to challenges with positive self-talk. For example, if a friend does not share a toy, they might think, "Maybe my friend needs a moment, and then we can play together." This practice helps them apply positive thinking in real-life situations. Compliment circles and storytelling are great group activities. In these, children give compliments to each other or create stories about characters overcoming challenges with positive thoughts. This encourages kindness and reinforces a positive inner dialogue. Journaling and writing activities can further support this learning. Kids can write affirmations, complete sentences like "I can" or "Today I will," and create stories where positive self-talk leads to success. This deepens their understanding and connection to positive self-talk. To support emotional regulation and resilience, encourage children to pause and take deep breaths when negative thoughts arise. They can then replace those thoughts with affirmations. Celebrate when they use positive self-talk to reinforce this behavior and build their confidence. Making positive self-talk a daily habit is key. Encourage kids to say affirmations in the morning or before facing challenges. Teach them that mistakes and setbacks are opportunities to learn, helping them maintain a growth mindset. By practicing these techniques consistently, children can develop stronger emotional regulation skills, better recognize signs of mental distress, and build tools for resilience that support their overall mental health.